Alright, so I'm going to go through an example 3-blind solve from the Reddit daily discussion thread. This is just the daily scramble right here, so I have it set up already. So the first thing to do is find the letters. So I start with corners. So this is my buffer. I go to here, which is S. That goes to here, which is D. So that's sad. That goes to V and U. SaDVU. Then that goes to C, and then I need to swap these two, so I'll cycle break to W, so that's SaDVU cow. Then that goes to here and back to here, so that's bow. SaDVU cow vow cow bow. So for edges, buffer is here. We see S in the back. B, so that's SAB. That goes to G and I, so SAD, or SaBGI. Then that goes to L, and then R, which goes to T, Q, and that's the buffer, so we have to cycle break. So we still have this piece, and this piece. So I'll do J over here, which goes to V, and then DP, and that's it. So how I do the corners is, well, that's just sad. I don't know what VU is, just whatever, and a cow bowing. It doesn't really need to make a story. I do edges with audio, so I'm thinking SaBGI, LaRTaQ. I can just use the K sound for Q because K is right here anyway, so like it's not a letter I use. So LaRTaQ, and then JaVDaP. I use a lot of A's. Okay, so first I'll do M2 and OP. So I would do edges first either way. So for M2 we have S, which is on the M slice. Since it's the first letter, we're just gonna do it normally, so that alg is like this. So it's S, and then we move to B, so we have to set it up like that. Okay, then we have G down here, so that's the B phase stuff, so we'll just do a rotation and do that. Then we move to I, so I is on the M slice, but we're in M2 off, we're on the second letter of the pair, so we actually need to switch it to S, so we're going to do the same algorithm as before. Okay, then we go to L, and then R, which is the same thing in the back. Then we have T, same thing on the other side. And then Q, which is way back there. So we set it up to V, and do V, and then unset up. Okay, then we have JV, so J is here. Then V is on the bottom, and then D is up here, and P. Then we'll do S, which is, so now we're moving on to corners, whatever here. So S is in the back over here, so we can set it up to here, cancel with the Y perm. Then go to D, again cancel with the Y perm. Then we have V, which we can cancel. Then U, which is just going to be normal. C, which is just F. W, which is, I prefer R to F. Where were we? Oh, B, so that's R D prime. And then back to W. So that's that. Now I'll re-scramble and do it with 3Style. So for SAB, yeah, we'll actually set B up to S. So we have to interchange S first, like that. Then GI is just an interchange with, well, it's an M prime interchange. So we'll set up G to I, interchange, undo both. LR is just this thing. It's like almost M2 stuff. TQ, we're gonna do a wide U setup, and then it's basically this. Because we're doing, it's the equivalent of these two. Then we're gonna cycle break, so this is basically like M2 stuff again. It's advanced M2 stuff, I guess. And then DP, we can do an L setup, rotate, and then set this up to here with an M prime interchange. So that actually turns into a 9 mover, which is nice. Okay, then we have SB. So I'm thinking a R prime D2R. I don't remember what it's called, but oh, that's the interchange, yeah. So we'll set it up, this goes here, and then U prime again, U2. Then we have VU, which is just simple 8 mover. Cow is just a comm I know. It's R prime, R, D prime, R prime setup. And then U2, R prime DR. And it cancels there at the end, so it's kind of nice. And then BW is just a simple setup into this, like that. So yeah. So again, SAB, guy, LR, TQ, JV, DP, SAB, VU, cow, I mess this up often. There, and then bow. So that's it.